Okay, so I just made some of the Carbonara Samyang noodles. I haven't tried this one yet, so hopefully it is good. Is what it looks like. I'm waiting for it to cool off a bit because there's still a lot of steam. Okay, here we go. I know that this is probably going to stain my face. At least it's not as dark as like the regular ones though.
Hot.
Alright.
Hot.
All done?
Yeah.
All done? Done? Huh? Okay, all done.
These are good.
Angry stop. No, you don't need nothing. No, you're not getting your own fork.
Daddy.
Ooh.
Please.
No, baby.
Please.
Alright, I didn't think I have a spoon small enough for this.
Maybe her like super baby spoons.
Alright, we must find your super baby spoons. Oh my gosh. Here we go, girl. What a good spot. Alright, let's go. You ready to rock?
Bye.
Bite.
Boy.
Or is it my lips?
Like wax.
They look stained.
Hey, baby girl.
You cannot eat these noodles, baby. They're spicy for you. You a baby.
You leave these in here because they're impossible to get at?
Daddy. Daddy.
I finished them. They're yummy. For dessert, I have this little guy. Little jelly.
Alright, we're not doing this. No.
Good too. I need to go wipe my mouth.